And we're gonna go to, this is the third part of the episode of the Midtown Bethesda North condos. The Midtown Bethesda North condos. So we're just gonna wait until this, so these elevators take a bit to get in. So overall, this was a good building. You know, I mean, the building itself is really nice. I'm just hoping that this. It is absolutely really nice in this condo building. Just wait for this. Okay, there we go. It's the same service, the right one, so I guess we do call it service one. All right, we're gonna go down to first. Okay. And then we're gonna go from the 20th to the 1st. And then after this, we're gonna go get lunch after this. So.